Welcome to Java tutorial. I'm going to start by going to File, New Project, Java. Make sure Java is selected, then select Java application, click on Next. The project I intend to work on is going to be multiply. Let's just call it multiply or multiplication there. Okay, so I'll click on let's click on Finish. Now the file multiplication is right here, so I'm going to now right click on it, go to New. Make sure you select JFrame. Once JFrame is selected, give it a name, multiplication. I'm just going to call it multiplications, and multiplication table right there. See where it says package, I call it multiplications tables, and the class name is multiplications. Finish. Once that the frame is ready, that's the frame right there. I'm just going to sort of redefine the frame the way I want. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to add maybe 2 buttons. There's another one, and I have 2 buttons set. So the next thing is let's get text area. I'm going to be using this text area right there. This very text area will be my output text area. So let me extend it, make it look more pronounced. Yeah, that's fine right there. So the next thing is let's add another text area right there. Where is it? Right there. And maybe I should then add maybe a label. Yeah, a label. Just enter a label there, increasing the font size. In the case of the label, I'll make that 36. That's fine. So the next thing I'll do, since I've finished increasing the font, I think I still have one more font to increase. Let me increase this very font before I continue. Yeah, there, right there. Make that bold. Yeah, let's just leave it outside that. Okay, now I have all of these sets. So let's give them a name. I can just call it txt area. That's fine. That's it right there. And then, okay, txt area. That's fine. So the both of them has a name. If you want, you can give the rest components names as well, but just to speed up this tutorial, because I'm taking some time, I'm just going to double click on this timetable. So while in here, I'll be using try just to catch any error. Try, enter curly bracket there, press enter, and I will now just run it. Click on OK. Alright, if I enter whatever value in there, supposing I did not enter anything, this is what I get. Enter a value, click on OK. I'll now enter a value there, 8, and that's it. I get multiplication timetable, but as you can see, there's an error here because it's not wide enough. So, and the reset button is not working either. So let me go back and get that reset. Let's go to design, click on design, then increase this to about that, and maybe move it back a little bit. The reset button, we need to get that working. So double click on that and just enter the following lines of codes. So we say txt there. So hopefully the reset button should work now. So if I run the program again, and this is how the system looks. If I click on here, there, I enter whatever value in there, that's fine, but we still need, yeah, I think we need to move this up and maybe increase the font size a little bit, and that's it. The reset button works, but it's not resetting this, so let's reset that as well. So to reset that, that's the name of that. Just copy all of this. I'm going to copy all of that. Copy it. Paste it right underneath here. Copy this as well. Paste it in there, and that's it. The reset button now works. Go back to the design view. Maybe move this down a little bit more. Yeah, that's fine. Now, yeah, that should do it. Okay, I think that might be the end of this very program. Hopefully everything should work as expected right now. Maybe we need one more thing, an information label there. Here, let's just call that enter your numbers, or enter number to be selected right in there. Enter number to multiply. Yeah, that's fine. let's increase the font to about maybe 24 as well. That's fine. So underneath here you enter your number here, you can reset and so on. So let's run the program again, and that's it. So enter whatever there, maybe 4, yeah, 4 timetable, that's fine, and that's it. That's how you use a while loop in Java NetBeans. So that I'm just going to call it bye for now. But just before then, let me show you guys the brief lines of code that I use in putting this brief tutorial together. Right here, let's show you the codes. That's it right there. You can also use a for loop, but I've decided to use a while loop, so let's take off that. That's the line of code that I use. That's a while loop. Run it with a while loop again. Enter a number there. Reset. That's cool. And just below that, here is the reset code. Right here, the reset code, and up here we'll get the code that generates the multiplication timetable there. So with that, I just call it bye for now. Bye.